Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this session, we are going to discuss concepts related to Chapter 3, that is Numbers in Will. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement. Problem number 1. The arrangement of 9 circles shown here, having 4 lines connecting 3 circles each, is required to be filled by digits 1 to 9 such that the sum of 3 digits contained by circles in each line equals to A 15 and B 16. Note that no digit is to be repeated. That means all the digits 1 to 9 should be used. Let's study the logical approach first. There are 2 possible approaches. We find out combinations of 3 different digits giving the required sum. We need 4 combinations having a common digit. The common digit will take the center position. The second approach is there are 4 lines giving the required sum. The total of 4 lines will be TS equals to 4 into sum of one line. The sum of given digits 1 to 9 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9 equals to 45. Now TS will be greater than 45 because of center digit is common. The difference between TS and 45 will be 3 times the center digit. That is, the center digit will be equal to TS minus 45 divided by 3. Now let us discuss the first approach. For the sum of 15. The combinations possible are 1 plus 5 plus 9, 1 plus 6 plus 8, 2 plus 4 plus 9, 2 plus 5 plus 8, 2 plus 6 plus 7, 3 plus 4 plus 8, 3 plus 5 plus 7 and 4 plus 5 plus 6. The frequencies of the digits in the above 8 combinations are as follows. 1, 3, 7 and 9 occur twice. 2, 4, 6 and 8 occur thrice. And 5 occurs 4 times. Now let's see the solution. Naturally, the digit 5 should occupy the center circle. Once the digit contained by center circle is found, add the smallest digit, that is 1, and calculate the balancing digit. Then continue with 2, 3 and 4. We will get the following combinations. 1 plus 5 plus 9, 2 plus 5 plus 8, 3 plus 5 plus 7 and finally 4 plus 5 plus 6. The answer is as shown. Now let's see the approach 2 for the sum of 15. There are 4 lines with 3 digits summing to 15. The total of 4 lines TS equals to 4 into 15, that is 60. The sum of given digits 1 to 9 equals to 45. The difference between 60 and 45 is 15. Now the difference is because the digit in center appears 4 times more in 60, whereas it appears only once in 45. That is 3 times more in 60. That is, the center digit will be equal to 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Once we know the center digit, we can proceed as explained in approach 1. Now let us see the approach 1 for a sum of 16. In case of 16, the combinations possible are 1 plus 6 plus 9, 1 plus 7 plus 8, 2 plus 5 plus 9, 2 plus 6 plus 8, 3 plus 4 plus 9, 3 plus 5 plus 8, 3 plus 6 plus 7 and 4 plus 5 plus 7. The frequencies of the digits in the above 8 combinations are as follows. 1, 2 and 4 occur twice and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 occur thrice. This means no digit appears 4 times in the combinations. Hence, it is not possible to get a sum of 16. Now let us see the second approach for the sum of 16. There are 4 lines with digits summing to 16. The total of 4 lines will be 4 into 16 equals to 64. The sum of given digits 1 to 9 is equal to 45. The difference between 64 and 45 is 19. Now the center digit will be equal to 19 divided by 3 and we will be getting a fraction. Hence it is not possible to get a sum of 16 under the given conditions. Having studied the conceptual part, now you should go to problem part for more problems and solve it yourself. In problem part, you will get the hint and the answers. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.